and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. MGP to quit coalition, Sudin Dhavalikar to resign from cabinet within 2 days. Congress Central Election Committee to meet on Tuesday. Remo Fernandez to be ethical voting ambassador for the CEC. Vote without note will be Remo's message to voters. CEC team to land in Goa on 1st Feb. Parikar says he wants Shripad to enter local politics, has spoken to Gadkari thrice as Shripad can get party to power on its own. Dempo Salgaonkar clash produces mega entertainment. Dempo's assistant coach Mauricio Afonso and Salgaonkar's Karim Ben Sharifa say it was the best game this season's I-League. And Indian footballers need to be groomed for European League, says FC Midtjylland's Klaus Steinlein. It takes just one national player to show the way, says Danish Academy's head. And now the news in detail. MGP has decided to quit the Kamath-led government. The Central Committee of the party took this decision on Monday. Sudin Dhavalikar might submit his resignation within the next 2 days. Meanwhile, Central Committee of the Congress will meet on Tuesday to finalize NCP alliance and seat allotment issue.
MGP has decided to quit the present government after being in alliance for 5 years. This decision was sealed after MGP held its Central Committee meeting on Monday. The step indicated a strong inclination of MGP towards pre-poll alliance with the BJP. Sudin Dhavalikar might resign within next 2 days. Deepak Dhavalikar has already left chairmanship of Kadamba Corporation.
निवडणूक आसा तितून आमी सक्षम उमेदवार उबे करपाचे आणि ती मागीर कशा प्रकारे जावं युती करून जावं किंवा एकला चलोरे जावं तर ते सरकार निवडणुकी उबे आसतना आमच्या मंत्र्यांक काँग्रेसच्या सरकारान रावप हे योग्य न्हू अशें आमकां थंय ठरयलें आनी त्यामुळे तेंच्यांनी काँग्रेस सरकाराचो राजिनामो दिवचो मंत्रीपदाचो असो निर्णय थंय घेतला आनी तो तांकां आमी कळयला. युती बद्दल म्हणशीत जाल्यार त्या संबंधी सकारात्मक बोलणी चालू आसा.
Election Commission has considered GCA kits distribution as an election expense of Dayanand Narvekar. MP Shantaram Naik has termed it wrong on the part of Election Commission.
But to make it bribery, under Representation of People's Act also, under IPC also, you have to be candid. And secondly, you can't charge a person. Secondly, I heard a statement from Chief Electoral Officer, no, the amount of these goodies will be credited to his election expenses and then it crosses the limit, he will be disqualified. What is statement? I mean, it is a shocking thing. The real money which candidates, we heard allegedly, do it after the process of election time. I will be very happy if during that time Election Commission really acts during day and night and catch these fellows.
Central Congress Committee will convene its meeting on Tuesday. Oscar Fernandez, Jagmeet Singh Brar, Sudhakar Reddy, CM Digambar Kamath and GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar will be present for the meet. This meeting will mainly decide on seat allotments to the sitting MLAs and NCP alliance issue. The whole picture will be clear by 6th February. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Remo Fernandez will be the ethical voting mascot for the assembly elections. As Remo is not affiliated to any political party in Goa, Election Commission has chosen him as their brand for ethical voting. Central Election Commission will be visiting Goa on 1st Feb to take stock of the situation. Commission has strictly advised the carnival organizers not to allow any political leader to grace the carnival parade and celebrations.
International pop star Remo Fernandez has been appointed as the ethical voting ambassador by the Chief Election Commissioner, as he has no affiliation to any of the political party in the state. Vote without falling prey to any kind of lure will be Remo's message and campaign. Tourism Department has informed the Chief Election Commission Office that no political leader will be on Carnival Committee.
Electoral icon, you can say.
Electoral icon.
Electoral icon for the state of Goa. Renowned world famous pop singer of Goan origin.
Songs
ना songs ना तागे फक्त असं कारण सध्या आम्ही ताचे 9 होर्डिंग्स लायल्यात हय आणि वेरीन ताणे फक्त मेसेज इतलें दिल्या की all of us should come out for voting on the day of vote.
Election Commission has received a complaint that Speaker Pratap Singh Rane has excess security. Chief Election Officer has asked for a report from the Chief Secretary and Police Department. Kashinath Shetye has complained to the Commission charging some politicians with providing incomplete and false information while disclosing their asset. Meanwhile, Chief Election Commissioner and other officials will reach Goa on 1st February.
1 तारखेक Election Commissionचे full commission is coming to Goa on
1st February.
1st February.
What is the reason for this?
For
preparedness for the forthcoming
review.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar.
Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar has made it clear that he wants North Goa MP Shripad Naik in local politics. Parrikar said that he himself has spoken to Nitin Gadkari thrice. He says BJP can get a majority on its own if Shripad enters local politics. Parrikar also spoke on his relationship with Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and Babush Monserrat. He was speaking exclusively in our weekly program, Head On.
भरपूर वावडी येतात वावडी इतली येतात की दिगंबर कामत आणि मनोहर पर्रीकाराची सेटिंग जालां आणि मडगांवां भितर मनोहर पर्रीकार दिगंबर जिखचो म्हणून आणि पणजे भितर दिगंबर पर्रीकार जिखचो म्हणून एकामेका खातीर वीक कॅन्डिडेट सोदता म्हणून
दिगंबर कामतीक हरोवपाक जे कितें करूंक जाय तें हांव करतलो आनी आय एम नॉट वरीड इफ ही ट्रायज दॅट इन पणजी फॉर मी संबंद इम्प्रूव जावपाचो प्रश्न येना तो चीफ मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो हांव ओपोजिशन लिडर आशिल्लो देर आर इश्यूज वेर ओपोजिशन लिडर हॅज टू consult chief minister or chief minister has to consult opposition leader. So my relation with him is totally based on this chief minister and opposition leader here. Tomorrow if he is not chief minister, I am chief minister and he is no one, there will be no relation. There is no question of a relation.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगा तुमकां श्रीपाद नायक स्थानीक राजकारण आयिल्ले जाय
म्हाका जाय हेजें कारण हांगा तो यत धरतू जाल्यार पयलीं म्हणजे सद्याची स्थिती आमची आनी इल्ली इम्प्रूव जाता तुवें जर म्हाका विचारलो की स्वताहून बहुमत मेळूंक शकता काय कितें तो आसत जाल्यार स्वताहून बहुमत मेळपाचे चान्सीस डेफिनेटली वाडटा
श्रीपाद थळावे राजकारणाक येवचे म्हणून मनोहर पर्रीकारान जितली करपाक जाय आशिल्ले तितले प्रयत्न केले ना
हांव खोटें उलयना हांवें स्वता 3दा नितीन गडकरीक ह्या संदर्भात आग्रो धरलेलो आसा की ताका स्थानीक राजकारणान यत धरतू जाल्यार ह्या एपा आमकां जिखपाची संद बरी आसा आनी हांव पयलीं एक गजाल सांगता म्हाका मुख्यमंत्री जावपाची खाज ना हाजो अर्थ हांव जावचो ना अशें न्हय मे डोंट टेक इट नेगेटिवली
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.